What's up guys, this is going to be an unboxing video for my new Milwaukee M12 cordless 3/8 ratchet tool. I just picked it up at Home Depot for $109.99. Pretty good price I think, just the tool only, and since I don't have Milwaukee tools I had to pick up a charger and battery too, but I'll unbox those in another video. Let's get into it. Comes in this nice red box, pretty sturdy, has a graphic of all the available Milwaukee tools on the back. Let's open it up. Inside the box find an instruction manual and the tool wrapped in plastic. Pretty nice build quality. Seems to be a really well built tool. It's got this lock. Yep, pretty happy with it overall. I'd rate this tool about a 10 out of 10.